a diamond. She's a diamond girl. She's a diamond. Diamond, diamond, diamond girl.
Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. So yes, we are doing another hair blending requested video. Today we're doing 27, 30, and the color 4. And all three braiding hair, all three colors are coming from the brand TZ Braids. It is Expression 100% Kanekalon hair. The hair does come in 48 inches and it comes pre-stretched. All three packs were purchased at my local beauty supply store, so I would check your local beauty supply store to see if you could grab these colors and this specific brand. Also, I do encourage you guys to watch the video until the very end. I will be doing another requested blend. Someone from my Instagram account had commented on one of my pictures and wanted me to do the colors 27 and 30, and so I'm just going to do this in one video since I'm already using the colors 27 and 30. So first we'll do the colors 27, 30, and 4 blend, and then we'll do just the 27 and 30. And this is my denim brush that I always use to brush my hair. And well, yeah, we'll just get straight into the videos. I'll let you guys enjoy. Of course, if you have any requested blends, leave it down in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and as always, I hope you guys stay blessed, safe, and filled with love and peace. Bye guys.